Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the alternatives to Planner 5D. So the first one, very popular one, is a Sweet Home 3D. So the Sweet Home 3D is a very popular one, but what you kind of have to be aware of, like, interface looks kind of like dated. But also what I recommend you to do is that if you can, like, you can also use ChatGPT or Gemini or other tools for visualizing your, for example, interior or what you want to build. So this is something that you can also test out for yourself. Also, some 3D graphics appear less polished, steeper learning curve, and basic rendering quality. But again, you have like precise measurements, simultaneous 2D and 3D view. You can create a video walkthrough, so that's great. Now, another one that is like very popular also is a floor plan planner. So this is another one. You have like 3 tier available. Very easy to use, like a lot of 3D furniture. And when you're gonna come here on the pricing, you see like the basic here. So that's like the alternative that you can use. But of course, like the free version has limitation. 3D is not as detailed as a Planner 5D. And like you can also check these ones out. And then also Room Sketcher. This is another one. So the Room Sketcher, what is kind of like important is that free version is also kind of like limited. Higher resolution exports require paid subscription. Some customization locked behind the paywall. Premium plans start at $49 a project or subscription. Now you have like free plan available. You can clean professional output 2D and 3D floor plans. Also 360-degree panorama views, live 3D walkthrough, label and annotations on floor plans, mobile apps available. So that's pretty good. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.